Ever wish your room had that soft, dreamy light bright, but never too much? Let's hang sheer curtains the right way. We'll show you how to choose the right fabric, hang them for the perfect look, and create a space that feels both bright and private. Start with the right fabric. For a soft, natural glow that feels warm and inviting, choose linen or cotton shears. They have a beautiful, organic texture. If you prefer a cleaner, more modern aesthetic, synthetic blends are a great option. They hang perfectly and offer a crisp, clean look. Next, it's all about placement. Mount your curtain rod a few inches above the window frame. This simple trick creates the illusion of height, making your walls look taller and your room feel more spacious. It also allows the sunlight to spread more evenly, filling your room with a gentle, diffused light. Now for the length. To get that elegant, professional look, hang your shears so they just touch the floor. You want to avoid any gaps between the curtain and the floor, but you also don't want them to puddle. For a fuller, more luxurious feel, layer 2 or 3 panels together. This will create a soft, cloud-like texture that adds a touch of elegance to any room. Once your shears are hung, it's time to perfect the look. Gently spread the folds until the light filters through just the way you want it. You're looking for a smooth, even, and calming effect. This is the secret to creating the perfect balance between privacy and brightness, allowing you to enjoy the natural light without sacrificing your sense of seclusion. Finally, take a step back and admire your work. The light in the room feels soft and inviting, the air feels calm and peaceful, and the entire space feels alive and refreshed. It's amazing how something as simple as sheer curtains can completely transform a room, creating a sanctuary of light and tranquility. Soft, beautiful light starts with the right shears. Find the perfect curtains for your home from Bell & Drapes and transform your space today. With a wide selection of fabrics, colors, and styles, you're sure to find the perfect match for your home.